Why would you learn Terraform? The average salary of a DevOps or automation engineer goes up to $146,000 in San Francisco. Terraform has gained a lot of popularity over the last years. It is now one of the most sought after skills in this field. It's a tool that you will need to master when provisioning any cloud environment. If you are in an Ops or DevOps role, you will want to automate your infrastructure. Terraform is a great tool to do this. It can automate your infrastructure in code. It will provision your cloud infrastructure. For example, you can provision all your AWS resources with Terraform. You can keep a history of your changes made to your infrastructure. And you can also collaborate within a team to build your infrastructure. So who am I? My name is Edward Viana, and I am a consultant and a trainer in cloud and big data technologies. I apply DevOps techniques in all my IT projects. I held various roles from banking to startups. I have a background in Unix, Linux, networking, security, risk, and distributed computing. Nowadays, I specialize in everything that has to do with cloud and DevOps. I give online training on Udemy about DevOps, distributed computing, cloud, and big data, mainly using online video lectures. I have now more than 5,000 enrolled students in more than 95 countries. This is the course layout for my Terraform course. First, I have an introduction, then I go over Terraform basics, then I will explain you how to use Terraform on AWS, and then I will explain you how to build AMIs using Packer. If this looks like something you're interested in, have a look at the free preview lectures, and I hope I can welcome you in my course.